Welcome to Entertainment with Anas. In this video, we are going to tell you 9 health benefits of drinking water. Put simply, drinking water is good for your health. Water contains no calories or sugar, unlike most fizzy or soft drinks, which are often high in both. Our bodies need water regularly to ensure we remain hydrated. There are countless benefits of drinking water, from losing weight to combating infections and illnesses. We need water to survive and we need water to thrive. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Water gives our skin so many great benefits, from wrinkle reduction to acne. Water helps to push any toxins out of your body. It helps to clear your skin from any bacteria or harmful dirt, which normally would contribute to acne. By drinking water regularly, it can help keep your skin moisturized and avoid that unwanted dry skin. Many people often say drinking water can help reduce wrinkles and make our skin glow. People often confuse being hungry and being thirsty, and often this can lead to a weight increase. Fat cells are much harder for the body to break down if you are dehydrated. By remembering to have a glass of water around 30 minutes before eating a meal, the body will be hydrated and therefore the fat cells will be easier to break down. Another positive of having a glass of water before a meal is that generally your body doesn't need so much food, which in turn will help with losing weight. Many illnesses can be fought by keeping up your water intake. Drinking water boosts your immune system. It helps to carry oxygen to your cells to keep them functioning well. Most often, kidney and bladder infections can be got rid of by flushing the body of the bad toxins by drinking lots of water. There are also other afflictions that can be helped by drinking more water. Cold sores, coughs, and runny noses can all improve by keeping the body well hydrated. By drinking water when you have blocked sinuses, it can help reduce the blockage and help you to breathe easier. Our bodies are made up of around 75% water and our brains even more at 85%. This means that when our bodies do not get enough water, it can become dehydrated very quickly. This will reduce our concentration levels as well as our energy levels dramatically. The body needs a certain amount of water all the time to enable us to function to our best ability. By drinking water regularly, this ensures we are at our optimum level and will help to keep your energy and concentration at its best. Being dehydrated can be a minefield of symptoms. It can cause headaches, nausea, dry mouth, and lightheadedness. By having regular water throughout the day, this will ensure the body does not become dehydrated. If any of these symptoms occur, often by simply having a glass of water, it will alleviate them rather than taking painkillers. Most guidance recommends having half a gallon of water a day to ensure the body stays hydrated and happy. A gallon means 2 to 3 liters. Did you know your blood contains around 83% of water? This means when you do not drink enough and your body becomes dehydrated, the blood thickens as it does not have enough water in it anymore. That means your heart must work even harder to push around the thickened blood, which can put your heart under strain. Drinking enough water daily means your blood will keep its water levels consistently and the heart can do its job much easier. Water is so easy to get into your diet as it is found in so many different food sources as well as different ways of drinking it. Obviously, the best way of making sure you have enough water is to drink half a gallon of pure plain water. However, for some this is simply not the easiest way, as not everyone enjoys drinking water. Cauliflower, spinach, and peppers are 92% water. By eating fruit and vegetables that have a high water content, you can increase your water intake. This also means that your body is getting a healthy and balanced diet by eating lots of fruit and vegetables, which keeps your body happy. Drinking water helps your liver to function and flush out any toxins from your body. It helps to keep your body regular and going to the toilet. This ensures you avoid any buildup of toxins and avoid getting constipation due to not drinking enough. Water helps to break down the food that you eat and helps the body to absorb all the good nutrients while getting rid of the bad. It can also prevent kidney stones from afflicting the body. Water is best at keeping your body at the correct and constant temperature. Our bodies must be regulated and kept at the correct temperature or we can become very ill very quickly. Our bodies are very good at doing this naturally and keeping us healthy. However, we must do our bit to help our bodies with their natural processes. We must keep our water levels up to enable our body to regulate its temperature when it needs to. This is normally done through the process of sweating. This is especially important when exercising due to how much water we can lose through sweating. Therefore, our water levels should remain constant to ensure the body can regulate our internal temperatures correctly. As well as temperature, ensuring you drink enough water while exercising can also mean you are exercising at your best ability. Guys, we hope that you like our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel Entertainment with Anas and share this video with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.